everyone's heard the phrase, if the only tool you have is a hammer, every problem looks like a nail, right? So a lot of times our clients will go to a certain partner or a certain vendor and say you go to a video vendor, they'll always come back to you with the video that they think will solve your challenge. Whereas if you are sort of medium agnostic, then you've got every opportunity available to you to solve that issue. So not only have you got all of the different skills that you've acquired over the years, you've also got this sort of interconnectivity between the two of them.
So every company or organization that wants to give their users whatever experience they're trying to give has to first tell their story, tell the user why they should come to them, why they should give them a chance, why they should even have that experience in the first place. Because if you can't bring users to you, it doesn't matter what kind of experience you offer them, no one's there to experience it.
To fit in, like a lot of women, we always go through, for myself, I went through a phase of, well, like, should I act more like the men act, or how should I interact? And so I went through a phase of like trying to be more like behaving as a male, and then I realized that that really was killing me. And so I decided that I just had to be myself, and actually that's when I became an entrepreneur.
I can flip my hair over and cover up this side shave, and I look a little straighter if I wear a skirt instead of a bow tie, right? Or these sorts of things, and you learn to compensate. And then as I got older and started to sort of hold my own in this space and become a leader in this new research and technology that we were doing, and people sort of valued my opinion, I realized that I had this huge opportunity to be highly visible to other women, to other queer people, to other people from South Louisiana, where tech is not a thing. All of these different people who might want to come into tech and feel like they have these sort of barriers and challenges.